Hi everyone, welcome to Barbie's House TV. Today I'm going to show you how to customize your ringtones, make them your own using iOS 15.3.1 on an iPhone 13 Pro Max. So let's get started. Right now we're going to go into GarageBand. We're going to go into the plus sign. Now that we went into the plus sign, we're going to go into recorder. We're going to press OK. We're going to press these squiggly lines up here. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to take off this little TikTok thing that goes back and forth. I call it the TikTok thing. It's like kind of weird, but that's what I call it. So we're going to turn that off. We're going to go in here. We're going to learn how to make a ringtone. We're going to start. It goes from 8 bars. We're going to turn that into about, a ringtone would be about 30. We're going to do it at 30 bars. And then we're going to go to this little, looks like, to me, it looks like a roller coaster. How like a roller coaster loop. We're going to click that right now. All right. So into my files, I have music saved onto my device. So we're going to go into my files. We're going to do Ariana Grande, 7 Rings. Okay. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to play this, make sure that it actually works before we do anything else. But we're going to play this little snippet. I don't want to get a copywritten strike, so we're just going to play just a little snippet. All right, that's it. From that point forward, we're going to click this, this like down, I'm going to say a little down, how to press this. Yeah. The little down play button. I call it like the little down arrow, but it's a down play button. So we're going to click that. It's going to say my songs. We're going to click that. And now it's saving. So now that we did that, we're going to wait. And we're waiting for it to save to iCloud. But while we're waiting, we're going to click share. And you can turn into a song, a ringtone, or any type of GarageBand project. Today, we're going to turn into a ringtone. We're going to automatically adjust it. We're going to change this to, we're going to change it to 7 rings. And this is the 7 rings ringtone, we're going to call this. And then we're going to click done. And then we're going to click export. Now we're going to press OK. So these are the rest of my ringtones. I did Tanashi. I did Rich Girl by Donna and Kaylani. I'm sorry about that, you guys. Sorry, I'm really bad with names. You just got to know. I'm really bad with names. So now that we did that, we're going to go into settings. We're going to go into sounds. And as you can see right now, I have Wiz Khalifa, All the Smoke. We're going to change that to, these are like all my ringtones, honestly. I redid all my ringtones. I done them by myself through GarageBand. I have customized ringtones. So we're going to go in here. We're going to click it. And it works. All right, guys. Barbie Styles. Peace and love.